Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Cash App user, you know how handy it is for sending and receiving money, but when tax season rolls around, figuring out your tax statement can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we'll cover exactly how to get your Cash App tax statement quickly and easily, so you can stay compliant without the stress. First off, why do you need a Cash App tax statement? It's essentially a record of your transactions that the IRS might require, especially if you've earned income through the app. The good news is, Cash App makes this super straightforward. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon. That's usually in the top right corner. It looks like a person or your initials. Next, scroll down in your profile until you see the Support or Settings section. Look for an option that says Taxes or Documents. If you're in the US, Cash App provides a Form 1099 for taxable earnings, so select that. You'll be prompted to choose the tax year you're interested in. Pick the most recent one or the year you need. Now, hit the button to generate or view your statement. Cash App will show you a summary of your transactions. If everything looks good, you can download the PDF directly from the app. Save it to your device or email it to yourself for safekeeping. One quick tip. If you don't see any transactions listed, it might be because you didn't have taxable activity that year. Double-check your history or contact Cash App support if you run into issues. Also, remember to file this with your taxes by the deadline to avoid any penalties. There you have it. Getting your Cash App tax statement is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.